All right, trade discount. Trade discount is basically the discount that a business gets when it's buying a lot of product from another business. Therefore, they give them a better discount, and probably the more they buy, the higher the discount they get. So let's say you're selling shoes and you go to a wholesaler who sells shoes because you're going to buy them and put them in your store to sell to customers. He will not charge you the retail price. Maybe a shoe that's $100, he will sell it to you for 25% off, which is $75. And then you sell it for $100 and hopefully make the $25 profit. So the gross selling price in this lesson is going to be the price that you are paying for the shoe with the discount. So for instance, here we have a shoe store receives a 30% trade discount on a pair of shoes listed for $55. So $55 is what the shoe sells for at the store. They get 30% off, which is $16.50. So 55 minus $16.50, they pay $38.50 for the shoe. All right. Now sometimes there's something that's called a chain discount, and it looks like this: 25, 10, 2. Or as the model problem has, 20, 10, 5. So basically you'll take the retail price of the shoe, or the bicycle in this case. The retail price is $180. So first you take off 20%. So 180 minus 20% that's $36. So 180 minus 36 is 144. That's the first discount. That's the 20. All right. Then you take that 144 and you apply a 10%. So 10% of 144 equals 1440. So you take 144 minus 1440. That's 129.60. That's the second discount. Then you take the 129.60, take it times 5%, which is 648, and subtract that from 129.60. So the gross selling price, or the price the company is paying for the bike, is $123.12, and hopefully selling it for the original price, the retail price of $180. All right. Now you can't add these all together and just take them times 180. You have to go 180, 20%, get the 144. Then you go 10% of 144, and then 5% of 129. You can try it both ways, and you'll see it comes out totally different. It would be a much bigger discount if you just added these together and made it 35% off 180. It would be a bigger discount, because by taking 10% off of that 144, you come out to $14.80. Whereas if you would have took 10% off of the 180, that'd be $18. So make sure you do that right. All right. So here we have you figuring some stuff out here. So you have list price $95 for number one, 20% rate discount. This is just a plain 20% discount. So you find 20% of 95, that's $19. You subtract 19 from 95, comes to your gross selling price of $76. That's what you're paying for that. And then you should be able to sell it for the list price of $95. Then they get you to do some chain discounts. So in number 7 here, you have a chain discount of 2010. So you go 175 times 20%, subtract that, find what 20% off is, whatever that price is. Then you take 10% more off of that, and you should come out to a gross selling price of 126. All right, and that's some of the chains discounts will have 2%, some will have 3. So like in number 11, you have a 30, 20, 10. So you take the $500, take off 30%, whatever that price comes out to, take off 20%, whatever that price comes off to, take off 10%, and you should get down to your gross selling price. And if you did it right, you should come out to $252. All right, I give you a couple different ways to do that, but if you have any questions, just feel free to ask.